Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, thanks for checking me out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn your post notifications on. But ladies, if you are a diva like me and you are ready to command the attention in the room, then you need to get your hands on this wig, honey. Alright, so as y'all can see, I was so in love with this color that I decided to get another wig in a different style in this color. And the actual name of the company, I'm not for sure if it is beauty or fashion, because it says fashion and beauty on the bag. But I am going to actually leave the actual link to the wig down below, so you don't have to worry about that. But I do like how their bag says on the back, it says, "Hello sunshine, you've been expecting me." So I thought that was like so cute. But it's the same, you know, clear plastic bag. And I'm just gonna open it up. And inside the bag, all you get is, oh, okay. Yes, okay, so this one came with a wig cap as well. I couldn't tell at first if it did or not, so 2 more extra wig caps for me. Thank you. So yeah, and okay, so I guess it's called Love Story. Yeah, so the store is called Love Story. Here's their little stock card that comes in it, and they have their social medias, their contacts. Yeah, so it just says up here that they like to have 100% satisfaction. So I'm gonna let y'all know if this wig is 100% satisfactory. Oh, as y'all can see, this one got a little bit of length to it. And just like the Alice wig, it comes with a net on it. I'm just gonna take that off. Whew, Lord. I'm just so in love with this color. Like, I think this color is perfect for any skin tone, really, for the fall. So I'm definitely excited. And again, it just has a little paper tissue inside of it. Now, this wig is supposed to be I guess you could say a straight body wave texture. So it's not really straight, but it's not all the way body wave. And it's feeling really, really soft to the touch. I'm running my fingers through it, and I am not getting no tangling so far. It feels very, very full, and the luster that y'all see on the camera and the color, that's exactly how it looks in person. This one only has 3. This wig has 3 combs in it. It has 2 on the sides right here, and then it has 1 in the nape area. It also has the adjustable straps, and you already know I love big head friendly wigs, and this wig does look like it's gonna have a lot of room in there for my head. Also, they have some nice soft lace up here, and which I love. I hate that hard crunchy lace. Like, nobody wants to feel that on their forehead. Like, get rid of it. But yeah, so, and I definitely can tell that the hairline is somewhat pre-plucked. The hairline is not very thick, as you all can see. They have a natural looking hairline going on, as well as the part. I do like how this part is kind of long. And I'm just going to put it up against my skin to see if we can see. So yeah, the part is definitely looking a little bit natural. So I'm just going to pop this one on. Like, I'm so excited for this wig. Oh, and it looks like they already kind of got some baby hairs going on right here too. So I'm definitely going to get into those as well. But first, I am going to adjust the straps, and then I'm going to put the wig on my head. But I mean, well, just to give y'all like a height reference, I am 5 foot, 5'1", and the hair is stopping like right underneath my bra line. So it's almost touching. I know y'all can't really see, but it's almost touching the top of my butt, so it definitely is pretty long. Alright y'all, so this is what the wig is looking like. I did go ahead and I cut off the lace off the entire perimeter of the wig, and I'm just going to get close so that way y'all can see this part, because you guys, this part is freaking popping. Now of course you can see my wig cap right here, but when I am actually going to wear this wig out, I am probably either going to take the wig cap off or make sure that I do add a little bit of makeup so that way it's one seamless color. But as y'all can see, the lace is definitely transparent, so you really don't have to worry about adding anything if you necessarily don't want to. This wig is definitely one of those wigs that you can just slap it on and just walk out the door. It's not really much that you have to do but just run a brush through it. And this is also one of those wigs that has a lot of hair on it, so if you aren't used to wearing a lot of hair, this definitely is going to be different for you. But you know, change is good. There's nothing wrong with a little bit of change. So definitely, ooh, yeah, so definitely like this wig, if I was to wear it like every day, I would probably just wear the wig to the front or wear it half up, half down. I do see myself probably doing that just because of how pretty and full this wig is. And also I did get this wig for about $30, $35 as well. And this wig did ship in 2 to 3 business days. It came pretty fast, and I did get free shipping as well, the standard shipping. So it did come pretty fast, and I got it through Amazon as well. And even though this hair is long, it's not heavy at all either. So it is a lot of hair, but it's not heavy. It doesn't really feel like I got a wig on. And I don't know, maybe that's just me because I'm used to wearing wigs, but it doesn't really feel long at all. Ooh. Go grab this wig. Like, you playing if you don't get this wig. This wig will definitely have you feeling and looking how this wig look. Like, I definitely feel like a whole snack with this wig on. So yeah, but I'm gonna stop rambling and just let y'all embrace and enjoy the wig with me with some slow-mos. But before I go, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below of what you guys thought about this wig and this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Also, do not forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on. And of course, you know, if you are looking to purchase a wig and you need a little bit of help, don't forget to shoot me an email. My email will be in the description box down below. I do wig consultations as well as wig construction services. So if you're getting some hair and you want to get a wig created, definitely shoot me an email. I'll be glad to help you all out with that. So don't forget to check out that description box. And most importantly, y'all already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin'. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And y'all already know what's